Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we'll talk about Toreba. Hello everyone, I hope everyone's doing really well. I have a really long video for you today as I've been gone for like 2 weeks and haven't been able to film anything. But we're here now and I'm going to be talking about this really fun Japanese game called Toreba. It's a really fun site where you can basically play loads of crane games as a video on their website to like get real prizes, like this big thing here. So about Toreba, it's like really fun to play, bit addicting. We've seen a few YouTubers that have gone over the top, and basically you can win licensed stuff, as in like really cute kawaii stuff like this, more known characters like Hello Kitty and Pikachu and other Pokemon, and loads of other cute things that you could buy. Each one has a tag to show that it's licensed, all in Japanese, and it's really cool. So basically I'm just going to show you loads of stuff that Mark has won. Because I don't play it, I will probably get really annoyed and I'll get too addicted to it. But as no one else has nothing else to do, I'll say you can check it out and set yourself a limit, I should say, because you know you could spend a lot of money on that. You can win stuff through each stuff is all different prices, or you can claim free plays with their membership scheme, or you can also earn free points to play other games through mobile apps they ask you to download and get to certain levels. So we're going to get off with loads of stuff here. I'm actually going to start with this little guy first, as he's going to stay behind me, as he is one of my favourite ones that Mark has won. He is super cute, really cute, and yeah, it's just an otter. I don't think this is off any any TV show or anything. I think it's just for kawaii. That's the tag there. You can actually win quite a few of these, and they're really cute. Next up, I'm going to get this big one out of the way because it is massive. It is this hamster. I think this is one of the big ones that you won straight away. It's really fluffy, and it's really soft and really big. And here's the butt. Just so next up, we have some still in its packaging. So I'm going to show you both of these. They're both Winnie the Poohs, and we're not actually that interested in these, so we are selling these. I think are we selling both of them? Yeah, we're selling both of them. If anyone's interested, let us know. This is, by the way, this is not all the stuff Mark has won. He's also given stuff to me. We have sold stuff on eBay, and stuff is out of our reach, and stuff has just gone missing. So yeah. There's another one still in its packaging, but we are keeping this one. It's really cute. I think he's from the Sanrio set. I'm not sure if he's from Sanrio. So this is from Sanrio. It's as a macaroon, and once again, it's really cute. Another thing, this is a Pokemon. I don't know what Pokemon it's called. So this is a Pokemon as a, I guess, as a Zoom style. Don't know which one, and it was, I think it was a free play, so they're really cool. And we have some Halloween ones. I don't know what the other one is at the moment. This is from Sanrio. I don't know what these are called from the Sanrio set. I don't think it's cinnamon roll. It's not cinnamon roll, is it? Pom-pom-pourine. So yeah, this is from the Sanrio set. They came out at Halloween. I really liked them. I think we'd be upset because I think there was a pumpkin variation as well, but we didn't get the pumpkin variation after free. But these are super cute, especially that one with a little mustache and the pumpkin hat. That is really good. And these are really cool. Next up, we are showing a Christmas Pikachu. I don't know if it's from the year just gone or the year before that. He is really cute. I think this is like one of the best made ones. I think he's got like, all this is very good quality as well. Like if you want to win a prize, you do get good quality stuff as it is licensed. Yeah, and you can get one with him with a present as well. Next up we have a dinosaur. Once again, I don't think it's from anything, it's just a cute kawaii thing to win. Really soft and very simple, and I really like them, but I haven't actually seen this around. I think it was buried for a long time, so it's really fun as well. Next up I've got a little thing, I don't know what these are called, but my friend has a tattoo of one, and yeah, he's just a little cutie. He doesn't have a tag or anything really, so I think it was just a little free play one that Mark did, and it was really cool to have. Another one, this is a kitty in a box. Once again, I love it. I think I've actually got a few things from when we've gone to Comic-Con with the same brand. But yeah, this is really small as well, so it's good. Next up is another, I think this is a Halloween one as well. He is dressed up as a cat, and this is, oh my god, I actually can't remember the name right now. It's Gudetama. It's Gudetama. That's his name. And yeah, we haven't got many of these, but Mark did go a bit overboard with this quite a while back because he really thought they were really cool. They are really cool, but once again, it's a weird thing. I remember when we went to Comic-Con for the first time together, there was a big stall of them, and we were like, "What is this character?" But yeah, now we know who it is, and he is really cool. And I think the costume that he's in is really cute. And once again, there's the license for it too. Another Gudetama one is this one. He is in a sailor's costume or a prison costume. I don't know which one it is. Once again, there is the tag. We've got two bacon ones as well from Gudetama. Ow! And they both have butts. And they are dressed up in different ways with the bacon. This is one version. This is the second version. And once again, they are just really random. Really cool. Both have tags as a licensed product. Next up, we have a more usable item on this list of stuff we won from Toreba, and it's a Japanese grill, which is a funny story that Ariana Grande, the same week we found out actually that she actually got a tattoo that says Japanese grill instead of 7 rings. He actually got this in the post, or won it. It's one of those ones. But yeah, so we have a Japanese grill, the same point of when Ariana Grande had a tattoo of it. But yeah, this is really useful. I hope we can try and use it soon. We haven't actually had time. But yeah, it's really cute, and we really want to use it because it's very small. You can only cook like one burger at a time, but it's still really cute. So these are both from the, I think it's the marshmallow. Yeah, the marshmallow animals. So these are both really cool. One's a cat, looks a bit weird from the stitching. Another one is a lobster. The lobster is my favourite, even though cats are my favourite animal out of the two. He is very soft, and it has little claws and everything like that. Once again, well made and very squishy. Next we have another Pokemon, and it is Slowpoke. Once again, he is a massive plush, like really big. And he has this here. I don't know what that is. Once again, I'm not a Pokemon fan that much. I don't really know much about Pokemon. But yeah, this is a really big one. He has a very cute face. And yeah, I really like it. Next up is one of the cutest ones, I should say. It's a little tiger. So cool. Once again, you get a whole different range of these. But yeah, this is one of the cutest. It also has like little, I guess, balls in his feet, so he can actually stay put. We did actually have him out on display at one point, but we did end up putting him away for some reason. But yeah, he's actually one of my favourites as well. But even though the taping of him is really weird. So next up we have a bag, which it has the Radicuma set on, and it's upside down. So these are all, it has like all different food items that he's like morphed into. So there's a burger, there's pizza, a donut, more burgers and donuts and everything. Some honey there. I think that one's upside down. But yeah, there's loads of really cool looking stuff. Right, so I don't know what this is from. Mark does, but it is a slime. And to make this even more annoying, he got a bigger one. A bigger one. Oh dear. I don't like these. I think they look really ugly. And now that he's got a bigger one, we don't know what to do with it. So I'll probably end up selling that one. Another one, we have a super cute cat coming up. He's a really big one. I don't know where he is from actually. I don't think he's from the Marshmallow set as well, but he's the biggest set. There are 3 cats to collect. And yeah, I think he is really cute with bitty eyes. And once again white, which can be quite difficult to keep clean. But yeah, he's really cool and big. And next we have a Captain Marvel figure from the brand here, and yeah, I don't really like the look of these figures. I think some of them just in general go for a lot of money. Once again, we're not really a Captain Marvel fan thing, so yeah, we just want it and we think it's okay, just not something that we're very much into. Even though I'm a Marvel fan, just Captain Marvel wasn't one of my favourite films. So next up we have 2 really small prizes we won. One was a cat. I don't think it's in the form of anything, it's just a cat laying down. Then we have the softest plush in this whole thing, which is this tiny little whale. Once again, very random. It's from the Marshmallow set again, which is probably why it's really soft actually. So I think it's the same material as a lobster actually. So from being in the same sort of set, I think they do use the same fabric, but this is just the softest thing ever. But yeah, so that's one of them. So this is actually mine, and this is a Stitch with I keep forgetting what the doll's called because it's Scrump, but I've said a different name before. But yeah, this is Scrump, well, Stitch in a Scrump costume, and the hood does come down, so you can just get Stitch as well. But yeah, I find this really adorable. He is really cute, and yeah, he's definitely one of my favourites as well. So now we have the weirdest item in this whole thing. I'll give you a little guess of what it could be. This is a asparagus umbrella. So you have the handle down here that looks like the asparagus, and then you have the umbrella. We haven't opened it up, but it does look like a really good handy umbrella, but I don't think I don't want to use it, but it could come useful eventually. So I think this is the last one now. Is it the last one? So the last one, which is actually the loudest one we have, is a Lucky Cat. This was definitely a good one. I really liked when he won it. The bell can be very annoying, but yeah, he's a really good one. He's, once again, it's quite large, very good for your money, or from free plays anyway. And yeah, just everything about him is really, really cute, and I do like that one as well. So everything in this was one of my favourites, and yeah, there's so many plushies that I really, really enjoyed. So another thing that we did show in the last video, and this was the last plushie, but this is one of the last ones we won. And last time I said it was a summer one, but it's not. It is a spring watch that we saw from the Animal Crossing video. If you haven't seen it before, then after this one, please go and see it if you like. But yes, the pocket watch is really, really cool. So that is everything, guys, for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. There's so much more stuff that I would have loved to show you, but once again, like, things are set up, things are in its place. But Toreba is a very good place. It is legit, you can trust them, but I would just say, also, keep to your limits. It can be very addicting, but other than that, if you want to win cool stuff, I say go for it. It is a really, really fun to play. You will have to be a bit wary of custom fees, however, as Mark has been caught out a few times for custom fees. But other than that, it's really fun. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Please see me in my next video. Please like and subscribe also, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye!